All right, so we're looking at number 9. We have the point L, which is at -2, 1, 2, +7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here's my L. I is at -2, +4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's my I. It's kind of big, but that's okay. And T is over at 3. 1, 2, 3, up 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. T. Oh, look at that. Okay, so I'm going to connect my triangle. They form a triangle. Yes, they do. Now, it's asking me, use the coordinate geometry to determine what type of triangle that triangle LIT is. We want to include whether it, like the side information, is it equilateral, isosceles scalene, and is it right, obtuse, acute, right? Which focuses on, so we're categorizing both the types of angles you're going to see as well as the types of sides you'll see, right? Well, I can look at this. I'm going to do, I guess, the sides first. Whoever made this up was so nice because look, we can see that this side over here is 3 units, right? We can count. This side's 3. This side is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? And then this one is well, I know it's a hypotenuse, but I am getting a little ahead of myself there. I could find the distance there, right? I could use the Pythagorean theorem. I'm going to take, if it's a squared plus b squared equals c squared, right? A squared plus b squared equals c squared. That would suggest that c is equal to the square root of a squared plus b squared. That's what I'm jumping in. I'm doing the distance formula. I'm doing all the stuff. I'm applying the knowledge I already know for it. That's where this is coming from. Roll back if you've missed what I wrote. So 3 squared plus 5 squared, right? Square root of 9 plus 25 equals square root of 34, right? Now, 34, square root of 34 is going to be close to 6. It's not going to be quite 6, but clearly it's not 3 or 5. So this is a scalene triangle. Because my sides are all different. And maybe list them, right? LI, it has the measure of LI is 3. We've got IT is 5 and LT is root 34, right? All 3 of those equal, sorry. All 3 of those are different numbers. So it's a scalene triangle. All right, cool. Now we have to decide if it is a right, obtuse, or acute. And again, the person who made this for us was thinking of us, I think, because I'm just kidding, I did. All right, because we can see right here, right, that this is a right angle. You could say that LI is perpendicular to IT, right? Their slopes are inverses. It's we've talked about what is the slope of LI, for example. The slope of LI. How am I going to write that? The slope is undefined, right? And what that means is I'm not moving my rise over my run. I'm not running, right? There's no running. I rise 3, but that's that, right? So you can't divide by 0. It's illogical, right? So we say it's undefined. But we can say that that undefined and all undefined lines are vertical and IT is horizontal. So those are right angles. So that means that this is a this is a right scalene